Hello everyone, welcome to today's day in the life of window cleaner. It's me and there's Matthew. We've got 5 jobs today. What we're doing, it's a Monday, we're doing jobs that we should have done last Saturday. We had the heat wave, so we took some days off. It's just too hot where we were. So what I've got today, rather than normal window cleaning, is 5 jobs. We're going off to clean some solar panels. This shouldn't take too long. I've cleaned them before using biocide. They were covered in lichen. We managed to get that all nice and clean, so now it's maintenance clean. We then got to go and clean some windows for a customer that was on a different day, so we've moved them for today basically to catch up. It's just windows, but I've got to be there before 11. Then after that, we've got a gutter clear on a farmhouse that we do once every year or 2 years. Use this regularly for that. And then we're off to clean 2 regular customers where we'd normally clean the windows. We're doing them, but on top of that we're cleaning the facias, softs and gutters, and one of them we're doing a gutter clear as well. So that's what we've got today. Follow along, see how we do. I cleaned the solar panels on this property. There's 16 of them. A couple of years ago, absolutely all covered in lichen, and they're old solar panels. So I did a bit of research for the customer. I did tell them that I can use biocide on there. There's 2 biocides I picked, but one of them I rang up, basically got some advice and was told not to use them on solar panels. They're okay with old solar panels but not new ones, so as a whole they say not to use it. Another company I went with, I rang them and they said it was safe to use on solar panels. I had informed the customer though that they've got any warranties or anything like that could make it all invalid, so to check with the manufacturer and their detailed sheets, because it will say how it has to be cleaned on there. But because of the age of the solar panels, they said they'll go for it. And yeah, I gave them as much information as I could anyway basically, and left it with them. So we put biocide on there, and then after I think it was 6 months, I used to go and test the spot till eventually I found out when I'd be able to clean them to remove all the lichen, because obviously they wanted it done ASAP really, and probably losing confidence in me. Now I've been cleaning their windows for a long time anyway, so luckily that was okay. So for today's one, it's just to go over. They're really dusty because of all the hot dry weather. So this is just pure water. I'm using my 35-foot nano pole from X-Line. I'm just stripping the pole down now from 35 foot back to me 18 foot and sticking it away. These are great, by the way. I'll make a video about these. Been meaning to for a long time. I'm just putting the end cap back on, shoving my pole away, job done. Okay, you've just seen me swapping out the brush for the micro brush. I'm going to be doing the facias, softs and gutters. I'm working with my youngest son David. He's going to be using the gutter vac to do the gutter clear for this particular property. Matthew's working on one just across the road, doing facias, softs and gutters and windows on another bungalow. So we're getting 2 jobs done at the same time. That's why I got my youngest son to help me for the afternoon, especially as things were going a bit wrong during the day with losing time. Now I didn't get any footage, as you probably worked out, for the window clean on the big house, and I didn't get any footage when we just did the gutter clear on the big house. Luckily for me, I had my 2 sons, they were doing the work, and I was having a nice chat with the customer. As you know, I've recently lost my dad, and he's talking about when he lost his dad 18 months ago, so Yeah, it's nice to be on the receiving end of one of them chats, whereas I'm normally the other way around, really. Yeah, so it's great having that sort of like relationship with your customers. But here we are on this one. You can see David's trying to get to the gutter that's running along behind the conservatory roof, and I've done the fascia softs and gutters using the micro brush. I've switched back over to my gardener brush and I'm now cleaning the windows. Hello everyone, that's it. That's today done. 5 cleans. You saw in the first one we done solar panels, and then from that I then moved to someone else in another village and we did a window clean. That was a large house. I didn't get any footage on that one. We went home, we had lunch, and then from that back out again and we did a house. It's a large property where we do a gutter clear probably every 2 years. That's the 3rd time we've done it. I was speaking to the customer while I got my other son David to come out, and Matthew and David were doing the work on that one. I just had to get a ladder and fix something. That was that job done. Then we went to 2 bungalows where we can park the van between the 2, and they were window cleans with a fascia softs and gutters, and then one of them was a gutter clear as well. I didn't get much footage of all today, I'm afraid, so that's it. I've no idea how the video will turn out. Hopefully I've got something done, but I'm back home now. And now for the rest of the week, it's just going to be window cleaning every day, and tomorrow I'm in my village. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do all the good stuff. Give us a like, subscribe. And yeah, thanks for supporting me. Have a good one.